My video guide is about removing the new ransomware that is called Rrbb. Rrbb is the new ransomware that is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. This is the second DJVU ransomware sample that we found today while we were researching the new submissions to the VirusTotal database. It is called Rrbb because the ransomware encrypts the files, and then after the encryption is successful, it adds this Rrbb extension to the files. So it is not possible to use the files anymore after they get encrypted by this particular Rrbb ransomware. When people restart their computer or turn it on, they suddenly realize that something really bad has happened with the files and that they cannot use their files anymore because this special Rrbb extension has been added to the files. So pretty soon you will see the results, the consequences of the ransomware attack. You can see that the icons of our files got changed. And for instance, we see this file cat.jpg. We can see that this Rrbb additional extension has been added. And when we try to open the specific file, we get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file because this added extension is not familiar to Windows. But if we remove the extension manually, this doesn't help. The files are still encrypted. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but of course, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored. We recommend you to go to the task manager, look for suspicious processes with long random names and end their task to stop the further file encryption. This could help you save at least some of your files from being encrypted. Considering the removal of this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It also works as anti-ransomware. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. In your particular case, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. The scanning itself might take several minutes depending on several factors. For instance, it might depend on how infected your computer is or on how many hard drives are being scanned. Please pay careful attention to the feature called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on your computer, and these folders and their contents will always be protected against ransomware attack. But this feature, of course, is the part of the premium license only. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is completed to see the whole summary of all the threats which were found during the scan. And at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact location on your computer. We strongly advise that you upgrade to the premium license. This is the best way to keep your data always protected in the future.